Pressure stable. Monitor flow rates closely. Copy that. Flow is nominal. Good. Keep an eye on those vibrations. The scans indicate a major reserve at this depth. I'll run the analysis. The data looks solid.
Command center to field team. Preserve estimate updating now. Confidence is high.
All right, pipes here. Get it unloaded. Copy that. Hoist is ready. Steady now. Align the threads. Secured. Next truck again back. Initiate rotation. Maintain 120 RPM. Depth holding at 2,500 feet. Torque stable. Bits cutting clean. Sparks are intense. Steady now. Keep it aligned. Pressure is holding. You're clear. Roger that. Lowering. Confirm. Good to proceed. All right, pull that hose steady. Watch the pressure. Got it. It's lined up. Lock it down tight. We can't afford a leak. Connection secure. Gauges are stable. Pressure's climbing fast. Activate the BOP protocols. BOP engaged. Annular preventer is sealing the wellbore. Level stabilizing. We're secure. Great work, team. Crane 2, boom is clear. Hoist away. Watch the load. Waves are building. Got it. Maintain tension. ROV Explorer 3, proceed to wellhead B12. Inspect for leaks. Copy that. Thrusters engaged. Approaching target. Confirmed. Watch the pressure spike on your feed.
Head back forward, please. Gravity tap, pressure, mass F-bomb.
Throughput is ramping up to 2.5 million barrels. Confirm system integrity. All valves aligned. Good. Monitor pressure. Report any fluctuations. Check this main valve. Pressure is steady. Confirmed. No leaks or anomalies. Good. Let's move to the next section. Right. Flow rate looks optimal. Pressure's holding steady. Watch for surges. Copy. Manifold is aligned. Flow at 80%. Affirmative. All clear on the starboard side. Pressure is spiking on the main feed. Adjusting stabilize now. Temperatures are rising. We need to vent excess.
Venting initiated.
Good. Monitor for fluctuations. The feed is stable. Columns are fractionating. Adjusting temperature for better separation. Valves open. Streams are clear. Good. Monitor the cuts. Pressure is stable. Watch for coking. Catalyst bed looks good. Feed rate at 85%. Steam's rising, but we're good. Confirmed. Monitoring closely. Looks optimal. Initiating separation. Watch the fractions.
Adjusting for kerosene. Diesel is stabilizing.
Gasoline and jet fuel are on spec. Confirmed.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Pressure's optimal. Monitor the catalyst closely. Yes, sir. Flow is steady at 80%. Good. Check for hot spots near the reactor. On it. Excellent. Temperature readings are stable. Reactor levels are stable. Monitoring for fluctuations. Furnace pressure holding at 1550 psi. Copy that. Watch for any pressure spikes. Confirmed. All systems go. Pressure is holding steady at 1500 psi. Monitor for any fluctuations.
Temperature stay at 350 degrees. No anomalies.
Flow rates optimal. We're at peak efficiency. Pressure's holding. Go for it. Striking the arc.
Sparks are flying.
Looks solid. Keep steady. Initiating transfer of 2.5 million gallons of tank 12. Valves open, pressure is stable, flowing at 10,000 gallons per minute. Levels rising. Copy. Monitoring for completion. Pressure holding steady at 1500 psi. Copy. Flow rate is optimal. Monitor for fluctuations. Valve is fully open. Flow is continuous.
Structural integrity holding, but we need to check the supports. Hey, guys, the shot off his feedback!
Pressure's building. Open the bypass. Copy. Releasing into fills. Don't let it clog. It's clear. Flow is optimal. Initiate emergency protocol. Monitor all systems.
Copy. Shutting down primary valves now.
Pressure dropping. Isolate the secondary feeds. Good work. Confirm full shutdown and report. Throughput is steady at 150K. Watch the pressure.
Unit 4 is optimal. No issues.
Good. Keep an eye on Sector B7. Spike confirmed. I've rerouted the flow. Look at those flames. The burn rate is intense today. Agreed. Let's check the pressure valves. Flow rates holding steady at 10,000 barrels per hour. Confirmed, all valves synchronized for global distribution. Rerouting to Asia Pacific hub. Monitoring pressure. All clear.